Hello everyone. In this video we're going to learn about matrix multiplication only, like I promised in the last video. So I'm going to do 2 or 3 sums. Let's check. So first sum is A equals to given 2, 3, 1, 2. This is my A matrices, and obviously you know your identity matrix, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. I am writing it, but maybe in exam it won't be written. So we have to find the matrix B such that the condition is given A square equals to BA minus 3I. Please be very careful about this type of sum. A square doesn't mean that you will write A square like this, just squaring the elements. No, this is not your A square. A square will be A into A. So we have to perform the matrix multiplication. So 2, 3, 1, 2 into 2, 3, 1, 2. Just check. If I'll perform the matrix multiplication, how it's going to happen? 2 into 2, which is 4, plus 3 into 1, which is 3. Then 2 into 3, which is 6, plus 3 into 2, which is also 6. 1 into 2, which is 2, and 1 into 2 into 1, that is also 2. So 2 plus 2, which is 4. I'm going to do the next step. 3 into 1, 3. 2 into 2, 4. So ultimately this will become 7, 12, 4 and 7. So this will be your A square. A square is not this one. Please be very careful. Now BA. So BA we need to find out. So for that BA we need to calculate B also. B matrices, if I consider the B matrices. Now BA will be equals to A square plus 3I. Right? So that will be BA. So A square plus 3I, if I do, that will remain as 2 by 2 matrices. So from there, can you guess that B matrices will also be of 2 by 2 matrices? So if I take B matrices as like this, so what will be your BA? Let's calculate BA. So BA, there is difference between BA and AB. You can just check with any two matrices. If there is any problem, please write me in the comment box. I will solve it for you. So 2, 3, 1, 2. So now check BA. 2A plus B, this will be 2A plus B. Next one, 3A plus 2B, 3A plus 2B. Next one, 2C plus D. And the last one will be 3C plus 2D. So this will be your BA, right? So now BA is equals to A square plus 3I. Let's put it in the formula. So your BA, that is 2A plus B, 3A plus 2B, 2C plus D, 3C plus 2D, that is your BA, equals to A square. A square was by this one, 7, 12, 4, 7, plus 3I. What will be 3I? Will scalar multiplication. So it will be 3, 0, 0, 3. That will be your 3I, right? So if I just add the corresponding elements, 7 plus 3, that will be 10. This will be 12. This will be 4 plus 0, 4, and this will be 10, right? So now as these two matrices are equal matrices, so if I will just write 2A plus B equals to 10 and 3A plus 2B equals to 12. So can we write these elements? So if I will solve them, I will get A equals to 8 and B equals to minus 6. Please try to solve them. Just let me check. Yes, that's correct. So next one, 2C plus D equals to 4 and 3C plus 2D equals to 10. If I solve them, I will get C equals to minus 2 and D equals to 8. So that's the solution for this sum. You have to get the B matrix. Please don't forget to write the matrix. It will be 8, minus 6, minus 2 and 8. Right? So this is the way you can find one matrices B. So next one, if I will proceed, suppose your A matrices, next sum, this one. A matrices is equals to given 3, minus 5, minus 4, 2. And Fx equals to given x square minus 5x minus 14. You need to calculate Fa. So what you need to calculate? You need to calculate, that is A square minus 5A minus 14. What I am going to do with this minus 14? So whenever you have this only numerical term, that I am going to replace with 14 into corresponding identity matrix. this matrices is 2 by 2 order, so corresponding identity matrix will be of 2 by 2 order, right? So what will be your FA? Just check. FA will be A square. A square is 3 minus 5 minus 4 2 and into 3 minus 5 minus 4 into 2 minus 5A. 5A 5 into 3 minus 5 minus 4 2 and minus 49. 49 is 1001, right? So if I will perform that A square, just check. A square already are done. 3 into 3 9 plus 20, so it will be 29 minus 15 minus 10, this is minus 25 minus 12 minus 8 minus 20, 4 minus 4 minus 5 20, 2 is 4 24, this will be minus, this will be 15 minus 25, sorry, minus 20, and this will be 10, and this will be minus 14 0 0 14. So if I will perform the operation in the next line, just check what it will be. Please be very careful about this minus signs. Outside it's minus. So 29 minus 15, 14 minus 14, this will be 0, right? Minus 25 plus 25, 0 minus 0, that will be also 0, right? So minus 20 plus 20, that is 0, minus 0, again 0, so almost you are there. 24 minus 10, that is 14, minus 14, that is also 0, right? So I am going to get a 0 matrix, right? Further, for this, if we have to calculate A cube for this sum. Now, from here, we got that this is a 0 matrix, right? That A square minus 5A minus 4I2 is 0 matrix. So, can we write that A square is by 5A plus 14I2, right? So, what will be your A cube? A cube is by A into A square, that is A into 5A plus 14I2, right? So, this will be 5A square plus 14, what is A into I2? That will remain as A. Now, I know my A square. What was my A square? Just check. This was my A square, right? So, this was my A square. So, if I will put that value of A square here, so A square is equals to 29 minus 25 minus 20 and 24 and 14A. What was my A? If I just go back to A, 3 minus 5 minus 4 2. So A is 3 minus 5, this is minus 4 and 2, right? So minus 4 and 2. So this will be 145 minus 125 minus 100, 120 plus this will be 42 minus 70 minus 56 and 28, right? So if I will add this two, I will get 187 minus 195 minus 156 plus 148. So that will be your A cube. So whenever in exam you have to find out A cube, there will be some relation given, so that you have to transfer and you have to use that. And one more thing, whenever in matrices sum, if you will get any only scalar term like this, only 14, that 14 to be multiplied by the corresponding identity matrix. Don't forget this. Many times if you see this example like this, A minus 2, so you will get confused, this is matrix and this is scalar, what I am going to do? So if the A matrix is of 3 by 3, then it will be 2I3, and hence you will perform matrix subtraction. That's all as of now. Thank you. If you have any problem, please write in the comment box. Thank you.